Good morning, friends. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Welcome to 12 days of Christmas, day 4. Today is Sunday. As you guys can see from the title of the video, I'm going to be getting ready for a picnic. I'm supposed to host 3 of my friends, but one of them can't make it, so I guess we'll just be the 3 of us. And yeah, so I'm just going to go downstairs. I'm actually from church. I went for the 7 a.m. mass so that I can come and make sure at least everything is ready by the time they come. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So yeah, I'm not really making much. I'm probably just going to make for them pizza, like some potato wedges, like crisp potato wedges, salads, and then I remember yesterday I went to Carrefour. Yeah, yesterday my sister and I, we went to do like some shopping here and there. Yeah, and I'm actually really excited because I don't know if you guys know about this page on Instagram. They're called Picnics by Njoki. I am expecting her at around 10. Currently it's a few minutes to 9, so between 10 and 11 they'll come and they'll have, you know, they'll come set for us like a cute little setup, and I'm really excited. So yeah, because I'm gonna be aesthetic and everything, and that's some period poo. So yeah, let's. I'm so tired of cooking. Anyways, I'm sure you guys have seen the setup. So right now, okay, can you see the way my skin is being, it's wilding, but anyways, I gotta do cute. So I want to go beat my face kiasi. I won't even do anything major, by the way. I'm thinking I should wear a red lip again because whomst whomst. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, and probably just going to wear a white dress, yeah, or something. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when this face is looking tantalizing, period. The girlies are here. Say hi. After showing up
I was
little
on
wheel,
time.
but it's okay. It's okay, child. Okay friends, we have come to the end of this vlog. I do hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was like a picnic for just me and my two very close friends, Njambi and Kinsey. They're just they're like gems. Do you know what I mean? They're like sisters to me. So I'm really happy that they could make it and they came. So yeah, so for the rates by Picnics by Njoki, the rates are for 2 to 4 people. She charges 5,000, and then but it depends on like the experience. I know there's like the Masai Shuka experience, there's the classic experience, there's the deluxe, and then there's another, I can't remember the last experience. I'm going to leave her page down below. She's very affordable, she keeps time, her work is very good, and yeah, you guys should most definitely reach out to her and have your picnic set up. Now she does have menu options. I think she collaborates with people who can provide food and desserts and everything, but for me, I am the one who I'm the one who made everything, child, and that's on period. So yeah. Anyways friends, so yeah, it's getting cold. I even had to go get a shuka, but anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also don't forget to turn post notifications to get notification every time your girl uploads. Until next time, I'm gonna see you guys on day, what day is this? Day 4. I'm see you guys on day 5.